Hello! In this video I will show useful features and settings on Canon laser printer and multifunctional MF270. For detailed product review, check the video in the upper right corner. And in this video I share the following. The next video to follow on this series I will connect using Wi-Fi Direct. I start by displaying the key model configuration of the MF270 and LBP122 models. Detailed product information can be found in the online manuals, and you can scan the QR code on the hard copy manuals. It will guide you to online manuals as well. For changing settings, I will mostly use Remote User Interface, which is the web interface of the device. All printers in this video are already connected to network, so I can display the IP address by checking the Mobile Portal menu. Enter the IP address to web browser and log in as admin, using admin PIN which was defined during the product setup. There are a lot of settings in the remote portal. Many can be accessed also via the user menu from the printer. So I start this video to show how to customize the user menu on multifunctional model to make it more user-friendly. Touch displays are used for multifunctionals, and they can be customized to some degree. Let's have a look how to make changes to user menu on MF275 model. In the user menu, select Home Settings. Now I can select the menu and move it around the display. I can also add blank places or delete them as well. On the menu of the device with fax, you find also one-touch shortcuts. They can be used for faxing destinations. You can enter one-touch destinations from the remote user interface, from the address book menu. In the next part, I cover the security settings. From the remote user interface, scroll down to find security settings. There are three options. First is about authentication. More details can be found in the online manuals. Second security setting is to prohibit weak encryption. Again, information about weak security environments you find in the manuals, including the detailed table on encryption settings support, which is more detailed data than available in the web specs of the product. And the last one is Verify system on startup, which prevents tampering. it will result in a few seconds longer boot up process, or it will stop if tampering is detected. In that case, the machine will enter firmware upgrade mode, because the current firmware was corrupted. In the next part, let me share some info on cloud possibilities. All models from this video support Microsoft Universal Print. In case you activate the printer, no drivers are needed, only business or school Microsoft account. Here I show how to activate the printer and then wait few moments to receive link and code for registration. More information is available in online manuals and on Canon support site for Microsoft Universal Print, where you find additional information including webinar and video on how to set up and share Universal Printer. I scroll the web page to show available information. Here is my link and code, and now I can proceed. Microsoft Universal Print is one of the cloud possibilities, and to scan to cloud, you need to use MF Scan utility. In the preferences of the scan utility, scroll down to Application Settings. More about MF Scan utility software I have shared in the upper right corner, so please check that one for more detailed tutorial. For the end, I reset the device before finishing this video. Follow the next steps on the screen. When device is restarted, you need to take the initial setup steps from the setup video, and that would be all in this video. Find more laser videos in the playlist on my channel, there is link in the description. Feel free to comment or like the video if you found it useful. You're welcome to subscribe, as this helps me to grow the channel and create future videos. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.